Hi everyone, this is a prize I won in Andymacs draw. He asked if I could do a video of me picking it. I've never done videos before, and I ain't a very good picker, but we'll have a shot. Did I move that to show you? Yes, I think I did. Right, here we go. Just going nudging, like Andy says in all his videos. I'm still trying to get really used to feeling for the levers, but and I've managed to pick it a couple of times, but camera shy, you just know it. Seize off the come on. There we go. Finally. Thought it was never going to go. Well, thanks again, Andy. I'm really enjoying picking with some proper tools. Cheers, buddy.